Stats for Nerds is a powerful hidden tool inside YouTube TV that shows detailed technical data like resolution, network speed, buffer health, and playback performance. It's perfect for troubleshooting buffering or quality issues. Here's how to turn it on. Method 1. Web browser. Step 1. Open tv.youtube.com in Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Step 2. Play any live channel or recorded show. Step 3. Right-click on the video player. Step 4. Select Stats for Nerds. A small information window will appear showing bitrate, dropped frames, connection speed, and more. Method 2. Smart TVs and streaming devices. Many smart TVs have limited right-click options, but some models allow it through the video settings. Step 1. Play a video. Step 2. Press up or OK to open video controls. Step 3. Look for more options or advanced stats if supported. Some TVs may not support Stats for Nerds directly. Method 3. Mobile app, iOS, Android. Stats for Nerds is not officially available on the YouTube TV mobile app. However, you can cast the video to a TV and then use the web version on your computer to view Stats for Nerds. What you can see. Current resolution: 720p, 1080p, 4K. Network activity. Buffering health codec information connection speed. This tool helps diagnose streaming issues instantly.